So we've been using this guy today, the Turbo Scraper. It's particularly good, I thought, at getting into these grooves here, cutting away quite nicely and leaving a fine finish, capable of taking away quite a lot of stop. It's a high performance upgrade to a hand scraper, and it certainly is that. It's really good today, as I said, working on the detailed areas, but also taking out some stop. Yeah, I found the Turbo Scraper really accurate. It didn't want to wander off course. Again, using some of the details on the feather we made today, it was quite easy to keep the line that I intended to have all the way round, whether it was on a high power or a low power. Yeah, and in addition to that, it didn't matter which direction that I was using it. So whether I let it come up here on the end or whether I used it flush, it still worked really, really well. And there was minimal tearing, gave it a nice smooth finish. Yeah, it's definitely not as aggressive as the turbo plane, for example. So really good for anyone that's just starting out with power carving.